And early lead is taken by Janelle's episode by the rail and nose west on the outside. As they leave the straight, Janelle's episode nose west and Swab Tiger moving up on the path in power shot. Banay Banay moving up on the inside. Ideal View on the outside. Social Leros and Simple Beauty on the outside is Mike Sam's Lady. And into the back stretch. It is now nose west in the lead by 3.5 lengths. Janelle's episode running in second. And in third by 4 lengths is entry number 2, Power Shot. Swab Tiger moving up on the outside, Ideal View. And Banay Banay, Socialero, Simple Beauty. And nearing the pattern, it is still nose west, lengthening now by 4 lengths, followed by Janelle's episode in second. And Swab Tiger moving up on the outside. And at the pattern, nose west, Janelle's episode, Swab Tiger on the outside. And at the pattern, it's still nose west by 3.5 lengths. Janelle's episode running in second, and Swab Tiger running in third, and Power Shot remains in fourth, and Simple Beauty. At the last bend for home, it's still nose west, followed by Janelle's episode in second. And on the farther outside is Swab Tiger, Simple Beauty on the farther outside. Nose west by Drill, Janelle's episode in between horses. And Swab Tiger on the farther outside, moving up in between horses is Simple Beauty. It's Simple Beauty now moving up in between horses. And Swab Tiger on the outside. And nearing the payoff line, Simple Beauty. Finally, it's Simple Beauty, Swab Tiger, nose west, Janelle's episode, Power Shot, Socialeros.
Okay, nakita po natin coming into the stretch 4 wide yung numero 8 Simple Beauty, biglang sunod-sunod yung palo ni Raquel. Nakalusot siya in between Swab Tiger and Janelle's episode. Tuloy-tuloy na remate, crossing the wire first, siguro mga 2 to 3 lengths pang lamang niya kay Swab Tiger, entry number 5. Sa ating winner take all, inabot po ng 4,232,131. Ang matitira po dyan kay Simple Beauty is 1,541,302. Medyo marami-rami na bawas. Okay, quarter times 26, 24 and a half, 26 coming home at 30. Total time of 1 minute 46.4 seconds para po sa distansyang 1,600 meters.